Misencounter, ganyan po ilarawan ng gobyerno ang engkwentro sa Mamasapano, Maguindanao na ikinasawi po ng 44 na miyembro ng PNP Special Action Force. Pero tingin po ng ilan, overkill ito. At para po pag-usapan yan, kasama natin si dating DILG Secretary Rafael Alunan. Secretary Alunan, good morning po.
Magandang umaga, Arnold.
Good morning po.
Ano po ba yung misencounter? Sa tingin nyo, meron bang misencounter na kagaya nyo, tumagal po ng 10 oras?
Hindi po misencounter yun, massacre yun.
Opo.
Kasi ang misencounter, saglit lang yun eh. Pag nakita ng isang friendly force na hindi pala kalaban yon, hihintuin nila yung firing. At,
Malalaman agad nila, no?
malalaman agad kasi naka-uniforme yung mga SAF eh.
Yes.
At saka hindi naman bagong uniforme yun eh.
Right.
They're very familiar with the uniform. Kaya kung misencounter yon, hininto agad-agad yon, tapos nag-coordinate agad. No? Pero ang nangyari, ilang oras yata ang bakbakan.
Yeah.
At nung pinuntahan na yung patay, pinatay pa rin. Dinoble dead. So kaya sa akin, hindi misencounter yon.
Secretary, gusto ko malaman yung saloobin nyo, no? Kasi habang gumugulong yung mga araw, lumalabas na naiwan talaga sa dilim itong si DILG Secretary Mar Rojas. Dati po kayong DILG Secretary. What are your thoughts?
Binaypass. Kung tama yung reports na yon, binaypass si Secretary Rojas. At saka nakikita mo naman sa kanyang mga reaksyon na talagang blanco eh. Wala siyang kinalaman. At sa pagkaalam ko, pati si Acting Chief PNP Espina was also bypassed. In an operation like this, ang mga targets ay high-value international terrorists. May international bounty. Hinahanap ito ng Australia at Kano. At matagal na silang sinasurveillance dito sa Pilipinas. An operation like this has to be vetted, has to be reviewed, thoroughly analyzed, and approved by the entire chain of command. Starting from the SAF commander to the SILG secretary, who is concurrently the NAPOLCOM chairman. At that time, during my time, I was also the anti-terror council head. And I would report directly to the president. In this case, the SILG has to pass through the ATC chairman, who is the executive secretary. And then from there, of course, the commander-in-chief has to give his approval. Up and down the chain of command, pinag-uusapan ito ng maigi, yung OPLAN, yung IMPLAN, yung contingency plans, para ang coordination sa support elements are in place. And you get people who are familiar with the territory. You do not get people from all over the place. Nakita-kita na lang sila sa assembly area. At hindi alam kung saan dadaan, kung saan lalabas. The worst part was that killing zone yung pinasukan nila.
Yeah.
Isang ingress point, same egress point. So they were asking for trouble from the very beginning.
Okay. Secretary, highly irregular ba na ang isang suspendido, no, na opisyal ng pulis manguna dito sa ganitong uri ng misyon?
Kung tama yung informasyon na siya ang nagplano at siya ang nagbigay ng mga utos, highly irregular yon. Definitely highly irregular yon.
Ang sinasabi kasi, siya na daw yung nag-aaral kay Marwan eh.
Pwede rin sabihin ng Pangulo, presidential discretion ko yan. Sure, nobody's going to argue about discretion, but is it the right thing?
Yes.
Tama ba yung ginagawa mo? Mali.
At ang problema, syempre, hinahanap ngayon si General Purisima, hindi naman siya lumalabas.
Yes, well,
I mean, he has to,
during our time, Rhea, pag nagkamali kami or something happened na namatayan kami, we investigate the matter. We create an inquiry board for the purpose of addressing the root causes so that we can obtain lessons learned. Para hindi na maulit yon. Pero sa nakikita natin ngayon, based on the statements, parang iniiwasan nila yung lessons learned. They just want to avoid accountability or being held responsible. If that is the case, they will never learn the lesson.
Okay. anong dito ito debate, tuloy ba yung peace talks o all-out war tayo rito?
Hindi naman siguro all-out war. All-out justice for those who were responsible for the
Habang may
massacre.
katarungan, tuloy ang peace process.
Dapat naman. At saka sa akin lang, yung kapayapaan, yung usapin or usapan, should start with the people eh. Kasi if the people don't want peace, no matter what interventions government does, walang mangyayari. The people themselves must want peace.
Alright, definitely it wasn't carefully planned, no? Base po sa mga statements nyo rin, no? Although ang sinasabi po nung na-relieve po na si Director na Peñas, ilang taon na nilang pinag-aaralan to eh. Pero here comes the President saying lack of coordination. Hindi ho ba parang medyo nasasampal naman yung ating mga
I
pulis
think-
na
yes, kasi-
sumabak doon?
Tama yun. Kasi if an operation like this was properly planned out
Yes.
and properly vetted, no, up and down, the chain of command, automatic na yung coordination eh. With the AFP, no? Perhaps with the local government units that they trust, no? With the American authorities, with the Australian authorities, with Interpol. You know, all of those who are involved or interested in this particular case to bring these people to justice, dapat total ang coordination. Ang pinaka-importante doon yung coordination with the AFP, especially yung air support. No? In fact, of course, this is subject of debate, but siguro kung ako ang gagawa ng plano, unahin ko muna yung air attack. Pupulbusin ko muna yung area na yon, no? And then send in the troops, no? The other thing is that the intelligence gathering must have been very poor because dapat lumabas sa intelligence report yung MILF at saka yung BIFF, iisa lang.
Doon sila.
No, iisa lang sila.
Yeah.
Hindi tama yung sinasabi ng MILF na naghiwalay na yung BFF sa kanila. In fact, they were in the same place protecting the international terrorists.
Kumpirmado yun.
Kumpirmado yun. 44 dead people is the best proof.
Ano po pong dahilan ba para matuloy ang, of course, usapang pangkapayapaan? Kung mismong, yun nga, based on your statement, nasa area nila yung terorista, kung may sinseridad,
Yes.
bakit di sila tumulong?
Correct. The conduct of peace talks assumes also that the other party is sincere.
Yes.
In this particular case, pinakita na hindi sila sincero. So, kailangan itabi muna yung peace talks. No? At linawin muna yung sitwasyon, yung posisyon ng
nangyari.
gobyerno. At saka yung ano nangyari.
Okay. Secretary, maraming salamat po at dating DILG Secretary Rafael Alunan.
Maraming salamat.